as we had promised about repairing of the road, Mapsa to Kalangut, Kalangut to Kandalim to Shinkerim up to Baga, and internal roads, we have started the work. पावसान आमकां मातशें बरेपण दिल्लें आहा ह्या दिसांनी. 3 दीस जाले पावस ना, त्याच नेटान आमी काम चालू केल्लें. All potholes will be removed. I am personally monitoring the work so that good quality work comes out. We are just not filling the potholes over here in Kanka and up to Mapsa. We are laying interlocking pavers. We are leveling the road. लेवलिंगाचें काम चालू केल्लें आहा JCBन. आदले जे कितें दामोर घातला वयर सकला तो काडटा आमी. तेजे भायर वी आर doing one level and laying interlocking pavers. And wherever the road is even and तेजे potholes जाल्या थिंगा सारके आमी एक 4-5 दीस रावतले. वोत आहा ते पोवन आमी दामोर घालतले first. And then later on we will roll it with 1 coat of hot mix on that area. That will take at least 1 month rolling, but right now we will put the tar and give people a pothole free road.
To Bob Michael Lobo, the Honorable Minister, for taking up this work on top priority. This is only possible. Michael has done such circles, such pavements, improvement of pathways, beautification in the whole of Kalangut constituency. We are grateful to him for having gone out of the way and getting this circle done. This is our dream circle. It is very congested with lot of traffic. And Michaelan आपणे पर्सनली येवन हो इनिशिएटीव घेतला हे काम करपाक. आमी तेजे चड आभारी. आनी ताका कावजानसान वेल्ला काणक्याच्या लोकांच्या वतीन ताका हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.